àjọ̀dún ni ó ní àtẹ̀yàn.
Èmi Labake mà ní. Èmi ọmọ àkọ́tọ́bọ̀ òrùjà. Ẹ̀sùn lẹ̀lẹ̀ ti ṣèwé àṣọ. Kíyà ọ̀yà sáwọn dànù.
Skibo. Skibo.
Feels Mr. Producer.
Wani, cash your excellency. Too much talk unnecessary. Flows are legendary. Flows it and cemetery. Shot it jai, see me monda gororu. For anybody, loju taba gbemu Sunday dagboru. Cause trouble. Keep on going, go to cause trouble. Cause trouble. For anybody, loju cause trouble. Keep on going, go to cause trouble. For anybody, loju cause trouble.
I love your feet, first of all. This is so put together. Please, can you tell me the inspiration behind this? Okay, guys, that's 12 for us. My. So can you tell us the inspiration behind this? Okay, you know, the theme of the day is Inner Warrior. So I'm trying to be Queen Warrior and be sexy at the same time and look fabulous. Yes, you do. You're giving 100. So okay, please. I know this is Mrs. Iyabo Ojo's first production. I would like to know what are your expectations? Nothing but an epic movie, blockbuster, and what else? Action. Okay. We hope that all your expectations are met, right? Please, can you say something to your fans out there? That your fans that are looking forward to see whatever you're cooking. Okay. As you all know, I'm a songwriter and a fashionista. Expect to see more of these beautiful dresses in my collection, my New Year collection. May is my birthday, so I'm releasing more collection and new designs. Okay, let me get my inner warrior out. I sourced for this outfit myself. I sourced for it myself, designed it myself. Wow. And it's looking so lovely, very, very lovely. So are you like a tiger? Like
Leopard.
Yeah, sexy leopard. It's giving. So I wanted to know what are your expectations for the night coming for Labake Olododo premiere?
As everybody has seen the trailer and it was my login, I'm like, my adrenaline was rushing so high. I'm like, I can't wait to I'm expecting to see nothing more than the heat. Yeah. I'm expecting her to bring the heat. Of course, Madam Iyabo is a phenomenal actress. I just can't wait to see how well she did with this role.
People should watch out for a brave woman, a warrior. And I don't want to say anything so much. I've been dodging to talk about this movie from the beginning. But if you go to the cinema on the 28th, you will enjoy this movie. But let me say one thing. The movie is an epic movie. It talks about brave women in the past. And it also talks about being truthful, being honest, being courageous, and being brave, and being focused on whatever you want to achieve. That is it. However, if you get to the movie on the 28th, you will enjoy it better.
How do you think your character story play a role in the overall message of the movie?
Yes, the teacher is a comic relief, and it's doing well. What people can tell you everything. You are like, what do the people want it?
Yes. I love your feet. I would just like to the brain behind this. Your feet tonight.
Oh wow! This is my clothes. That's my son is the designer.
Okay.
I do not know how he thinks about it. I just gave him that the theme of today is that the warrior in you.
Okay.
And I said, okay, so it should and then he went out and did this for me. I just put it on today. I don't know where.
And it's so lovely. So lovely.
Thank you.
What advice would you give Labake?
Yeah, I will give Labake to keep moving. It's not really easy in the industry, especially in the society where men take larger percentage of them. But what is important is that once women start, let them go on. I want Iyabo Ojo to go on. After this one, you should do another one. After that one, you should do another one, another one, another one.
So last thing, is there anything that you did special that is special to this movie? That anything that you have never done before that you did in this movie for your role?
No, not really. With all due respect, my role is not really a challenging role, but it's very important. It's one of the minor but very important aspects of reproduction that give one message, in a school environment.
Very, very happy. One, Iyabo Ojo has broken many records in my acting career. So when I receive a call from Iyabo Ojo, I can go and get a loan because I know she will do very well. When I was Iyabo Ojo was one of the first producers that gave me better pay. So and when I was called to ascend, I was very happy. I don't want to even negotiate because I know she will do well, but I later negotiate.
So, you said the last question, please. As regards to this movie, can you tell you people what should be the expectations for Labake Olododo?
Expectation. As a matter of fact, our cinemas movies, they are doing fine. They are doing fine worldwide. But I want our fans to expect something special on this, something uncommon, something they haven't seen in other movies. Is in Labake Olododo.
So it's my guy's collection, and he just told me, yeah, we were gonna make sure you're super fly today. Yeah, so Ricky Collections, yeah, thank you so much for giving me your bro. It was definitely up there with one of my most challenging roles so far. But for me, I always try to find fun in everything I'm doing. So it was definitely fun. I definitely learned a lot about a lot more even about Yoruba culture, Yoruba heritage, and it afforded me an opportunity to really push myself as an actor to do something that I'm not used to doing. So yeah, I'm very excited and very appreciative of the opportunity. I think our energy is very authentic. So a lot of her persona is super out there, super fun. That's how she is in real life. She cares about people a lot. With the project, she really made sure everybody was comfortable. She didn't put eyes on every department, camera lights, wardrobe, everybody. And for the acting as well, like she gave like 103%. So I'm really hoping that we made her proud. When we watched the movie together, I really hope that we feel a sense of pride in the fact that we delivered. Expecting an amazing everybody puts in themselves into the project. We also did have fun. Iyabo, like people have not seen in a while. Yeah, she just reminded people that he gave money. So I'm super excited, So this is gonna be an amazing year so far, man. I mean, this is what first quarter. See how it starts to be with projects like this. But definitely more film projects this year. Music projects most likely as well. I like just take things as they come, but I have a feeling that this is gonna be an amazing year. I'm gonna enjoy it to the fullest.
I think I'm selling Wonder Woman, even though I'm just like passing by. Wonder Woman is passing by, yes, that's what I'm selling.
But it's giving, it's like a 1,000 over 1,000.
Ah, really?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
So please, I would like to know what the expectations for tonight.
about Black excellence. I mean, we're talking about, our queen mother. So all I want to say is my queen mother, please. And I know she's going to serve it because I saw a trailer, a snippet of this movie earlier in the year, and it looked amazing. So I'm definitely looking forward to seeing it as long as also all the female warriors, all the fights.
Leave the road. Wait now. You guys should wait. Wait, please. Wait. Wait. Oh yeah, sir. Wait now. You guys will go back to your space. Just hold on now. Leave the road now. Oh yeah, my boss, sir. My boss. Ewale sir, bro. Can you drop us for Ewale sir? Ewale, just for one second. You carry your car from the road carry.
Yeah, fine. I know. Camera, please.
Please, leave the room. Now we go. Inside. Inside. Hey, please. Come on. Bro, lock up. Hey, bro, hey.
Storyline, it is simply amazing. Now I understand why she said we should say a big thank you and a big shout out to the director of Building Students. Please can we put our hands up for the director, and please can we have all the cast come up front. I'm going to need us to please move back a little bit. One more time for the woman of the moment. Please be asking up for Iyabo Ojo. This is a beautiful piece of work. The storyline is amazing. The costuming, the acting, the editing, the picture, the sound, the effects, it is simply beautiful. Please, can I have the rest of the cast join us down here? But I'll do the mummies in the film, and of course, Femi, Adebayo, Uncle Said, all my boys, all our daddies in the film. Please, can everybody make their way down? Uncle Amika Kodri, everybody. Well, please, can we all come forward and let's just have a quick chat. So guys, remember, yes, the film hits cinemas on the 28th of March. So like you said, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to go see the film at the movies. So I'm going to hand the microphone to Auntie Iyabo real quick to say one or two things to us. Thank you, every single one. I hope you enjoyed the movie.
Yes!
We tried in our own little way. This would never have been possible without my executive producers. I want to say a very, very big thank you to Film One Studio, Film One Entertainment. A very big thank you to Abazde. And a wonderful, wonderful one to Alaba Ultimate, who also featured in the movie. Thank you guys so much. Thank you every single one. And to my director, Alright, thank you very much. Please, can we have all the actors on the straight line so that we can take a proper bow? Let's have all the actors on the straight line. The actor waited in film is like 6 million. Let's have all the actors on the straight line. Always shout out my Uncle Ibrahim. As always, Your Excellency, sir. Please, let's have the actors. If you know that you the film, turns back. You didn't only be able to come forward. Please, let's have the actors on the straight line, please. Thank you very much. Can you hold your hands? Can you hold your hands? Can you hold your hands? Let's good night. Okay, since that's not gonna happen, that time is going. We still need to go out and do the after party. So please, can we have the media in front? In front. And she said, "Oh God, you're a married woman. You are doing truth or dare." Please, on the straight line. On the straight line, so that we can take a bow, please. Let's have the actors on the straight line. Uncle Bukari, please come forward, come forward. What is going to do? I'm not seeing it yet. Women, Soriola, please come forward. Where's Shaggy? Yes, please come forward. Where's Please come forward. Please come forward. Please come forward. Okay, please. So, on behalf of Iyabo Ojo, the executive producer and the producer of Labake Olododo, the cast now hereby take their golden bow in front of the theaters. Please, can we give them a round of applause, please? Thank you very much. So now we head outside for the after party. My name is Kiekie. I had an amazing time with all of you. And now I'm moving outside so that we can kickstart the after party properly. Thank you guys and have a fantastic evening.
ayele Africa, ayele Africa, ayele Africa, ayele Africa, ayele Africa, ayele ìdílé. Oya Iyabo Ojo digi araba, digi araba, digi araba. Funke Akindele, Kiekie, àjọ ọ́fíìsì àtàkùn táwọn Kiekie ni Abíọ́lá, wájú táyọ̀ fi ọ̀rọ̀ àbátí Iyabo Ojo ti kí àràbà. Rẹ̀míkò, ayé ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ò làwọ̀ Iyabo Ojo ti kí àràbà. Àbáyọ̀ Iyabo Ojo ti kí àràbà.
So ṣe ṣe kémi àti ẹmọ pàdé mọ́.
Adé bọ́ lájọṣepọ̀ lábẹ́ òrùlé mi.
Ogun tí mi ò mọ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ṣé wàá fẹ́ kí n lọ?
Ìpín rẹ mọ̀ ni mo fi ọ́ joyè akọgun èlú kò sí lápò lè lọ.